let's talk about curiosity. Curiosity equals freedom. Curiosity unlocks the freedom to let go of unhelpful, disempowering, or encumbering patterns. Curiosity allows us to approach life free. It allows us to free ourselves from these patterns that don't serve us. Curiosity allows us to begin to design habits that are aligned with our desired identity. So as you meditate, as you become more self-aware, as you become more body aware, as you become more breath aware, as you begin to harness your breath, which these techniques that I'm teaching you are designed to do all those things, allow you to become more self-aware, more body aware, more breath aware, as well as learn to harness the breath to your advantage. All of this will allow you to watch the mind with curiosity. And curiosity equals freedom.